Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today. This is Asta Chopra. Well, we are here for the 10th edition of IFTA, and for that, we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Ashwini Tiwari, who is the MD of SBI. So, do you think that AI has been evolved every year? You also talked about the people should be there to monitor, look through what AI is doing. So, where is SBI at that? Are you hiring for a professional people for the AI or any new systems that are coming in place for SBI? You were also talking about the app, which is 24/7. What's new with SBI?
So AI is a thing we are working on currently. It's not we are not reached the end state. So we have a big team for analytics and data science already working on various models. AI, we are hiring talent. We are also we have recently come out with a request for proposal for creating a AI tech stack in the bank. So therefore, there's a lot of work which is starting out. We have done something, but most lot of it has to be done still. It's still at a slightly initial stage. See, the AI talent is limited relatively. So today, what is happening is that it's no longer the plain vanilla code writing, etc. What you need with AI is people who are able to create models, people are able to give prompts. These are called prompt engineers, which means all the tweaks for the models. Then you have people who can monitor the models, who can analyze the risk, audit them. All these are new capabilities. So therefore, because the AI field, if you look at AGI, is just about 5 years old. So therefore, there is not enough experienced talent. What we are trying to do is we are building up talent by we hiring people with some background, a technical background or academic background with some experience, and then we are training them. So therefore, that's the way we'll build up people who will be with us for some time. It's very hard to get very experienced people and at the right compensation which we can offer.
What about the risks of deepfake, etc.? Because those are also creeping into banking, collections also from. Is it kind of starting affecting SDI at this
No,
stage?
deepfake. See, a deepfake is it is coming, but it's not as much a risk because today the deepfake can only come somebody is apparently talking to you online on video, etc., and that's not the same person. So therefore, as we continue to protect customers and tell them that don't share anything online virtually, and we haven't faced this problem so far, but it's a coming up problem, so we'll have to be careful with that.